Hi there. In this video, I wanted to show to you our feature Cortex, which allows you to set great organizational standards across your whole project environment. So without strong standards, we know effectiveness for a PMO is always going to be difficult. And PMOs spend a substantial amount of their time chasing PMs and anyone else in the change environment for consistent quality updates. Now, the main point of Cortex is to solve the garbage in, garbage out problem. So PMOs can assess the environment in these 6 different areas, and the system will read where you're currently hitting assessments and where you're not. So if we look at, say, schedule as an example, we can quickly identify that we have missed milestones for this cloud migration project. And because of that, the timeline and overall RAG component of this project needs to be marked as red. So we need to flag that, we need to be made aware of that inside of the system. And from the PM's perspective, the nice thing is this acts as that enablement tool as well. So when you do create those status reports, you've got clear visibility of your assessment Cortex score on the right-hand side. And you can say, hey, we're missing the milestones with the schedule. This needs to be marked as red. We need to then give our commentary, make someone accountable for bringing that back to green with a due date as well. So really easy way for you to start trusting your data inside of the project workspace. Now, on a project portfolio level, there's always going to be disparities in quality and performance across your work. And what you can do inside of the portfolio dashboards is begin to analyze your Cortex summary across all of your projects. So you can quickly identify your areas of excellence, the areas that are at risk, and the projects that may need improvement as well. And a great way to use Cortex is quickly identify what are the PMs doing that create these good Cortex scores. We then bake that into the assessments and create that as an organizational baseline of what quality looks like. And the nice things for the PMOs is they can constantly review, assess, adjust, and repeat this process to make sure you're always maturing as a PMO with your standards and processes. So yeah, I hope that gives you a good idea about how Cortex gives you great organizational standards across your whole project environment.